Alright guys, it's been quite a while since I've posted a video, but I wanted to talk about Adorama's used camera gear service. I've always been a user of KH camera brokers, but what the heck's on my hand? Wherever that was. I've always used KH camera brokers. I've been happy with them for years, but I've noticed the last couple items I've ordered, I don't know, it just seems like their grading scale may have, become a little bit too relaxed, and I've been a little bit disappointed. I actually sent back the last two things I ordered from their bargain grade. A little bit too rough for my taste, at least for what I paid. But anyway, so ordered two lenses here. These are both kit lenses for Nikon SLRs. The reason I ordered a couple kit lenses is actually because I'm going to be teaching some photography classes, and I didn't want the students to get in the mindset that they needed pro, top-end lenses and stuff to get great photos. So in order to take gear out of the question, I ordered two kit lenses. This is actually the first time in like 25 years since I've even had a kit lens. But let's get into this. And you're seeing these lenses for the first time like I am. Alright, so here we go. We ordered two lenses. Prices, let's see if I can get it to focus. Price was great. It's actually cheaper to buy their excellent gear. It's cheaper than buying refurbished, and they give you a 90-day warranty, which is exactly what Nikon gives on their refurbished gear. There was no way I was going to pay, new prices for these two kit lenses. But anyways, just not sure if that's focusing, but either way, so $145 shipped for both lenses. They're nice and wrapped. Let's get this off. All right, first lens. Thank you for appreciate your business. All right, let's open it up. Okay, so this is their excellent minus. Where's my knife? Like 4 layers of bubble wrap. Okay, here's the first kit lens. This is the 70-300. Again, excellent minus. Oh, it's actually totally sealed. That's nice. Alright. Looks pretty darn good to me so far. I see the slightest bit of dust on the inside. It's pretty minor. Let's see if I can get it in there. I don't think that's going to show up on camera. It's super minor. I hate these push caps. I don't see anything on the barrel. Overall, that's a good one for the first one. There's a little scratch on the lens cap. Not even sure you can see it on the camera. Alright, let's go to the next one. Can't believe how light this is. Excuse me. Okay, they definitely wrap these things up really good. Huh. Okay. Not sure what's going on here. Sorry, just gotta get violent. Man, I'm not kidding here. I really am struggling with this. It's hard, even harder to do it when you're doing it through a viewfinder. Again, totally sealed. I wonder how they seal these. It's pretty cool. Ooh. Okay, that one came with a generic rear cap. This one is Excellent Plus. Yeah. This one has some surface dust. There's nothing on the inside though. Looks super nice. Oh my goodness. It's almost comical. This one's in super good condition. I don't see any type of wear or anything with this one. Very nice. I'm very happy with that one. And lens cap's fine on this one. Most of these lens caps are going to get, tossed in the bottom of my bag never to get used. But there you go, guys. Got two really nice, really good condition lenses there. Again, for half the price of this one lens, I got two really nice used lenses. Both of them were under 150 bucks. You can't beat that. I'll definitely start considering Adorama for my used camera gear. So anyways, guys, if you have any questions, I try to get back to everyone as best as I can, but feel free to leave a comment down below and I'll try to answer your questions. Oh, and by the way, don't let them lie to you. These Deskin packs are delicious. It's just a secret. They don't want you to know, but these things are secretly delicious. I'm kidding, of course. All right, guys, stay safe. Happy shooting. Metro Photographer out.